In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide objects in Blender. We'll start by creating something we can practice with. In the 3D viewport, press Shift plus A, go to Mesh and choose Cube. This gives us a simple object to work with, and it's perfect for demonstrating visibility tools. You'll see the cube appear at the cursor or the scene's origin, ready to go. Now let's hide it. Make sure the cube is selected, then press H. The cube disappears from the viewport instantly. Don't worry, it hasn't been deleted. Blender has simply hidden it from view. This is a handy way to get objects out of your way while you model or arrange your scene. To bring hidden objects back, press Alt plus H. This command reveals all objects that were hidden in the current view. It's especially useful if you've hidden multiple items and want everything visible again. If you're in object mode, Alt plus H affects objects. It unhides anything that was hidden at the object level across the scene. There's also a version of Unhide that works specifically on geometry. If you're in edit mode on a mesh, Alt plus H will unhide hidden vertices, edges, or faces for that active object. This is perfect when you've hidden parts of a model to work on a tricky area and now want the entire mesh back on screen. Remember, this only affects the selected object's editable components, not other objects in your scene. If something still doesn't show up after you unhide, check the outliner panel, usually found on the right side of the screen. The outliner lists every object and collection in your scene. Look for the object's name and make sure its visibility is enabled. Click the eye icon next to it to toggle whether it should be visible. If the eye is closed, the object won't show, even if you press Alt plus H. Also check the viewport visibility column in the outliner. If the monitor icon is disabled for an object or a collection, it won't appear in the viewport at all. Click the monitor icon to turn viewport visibility back on. This is a common reason objects seem to be missing, so it's worth a quick glance if unhide commands don't work as expected. That's it. Create an object with Shift plus A, hide it with H, reveal everything with Alt plus H. Use edit mode to unhide mesh components, and troubleshoot with the outliner's eye and monitor icons. With these controls, managing what you see in Blender becomes fast, clean, and frustration-free.